Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. Okay, so first I will show you what's happening with my escape. So the radio is not powering up, and when I press on or off button, something happens on the screen, but the radio is still not powering up. So I'm not sure, and I doubt that my problem is in the fuses, but this is the first thing and the easiest thing to check. In my case, if there is no burnt fuse, I'll have to dig deeper, pull out this radio, check the wires behind it, and then maybe even replace the radio itself. I'm not sure, but like I said, first I will check all the fuses. All the fuses you want to check are located on the passenger side of the cabin, just down here behind this cover. Now to remove this cover, you'll have two of these black plastic screws. Now one is missing on my Focus, but you will probably have two. Now to remove those screws, there are actually two clips right here which you have to push on both sides and then just pull it straight out. Okay, just like this. Yeah, so like I said, you'll have two clips which you'll push just like this, you see, and then pull it straight out, and once you do that, you can just easily lower this cover. Okay, first fuse you want to check is fuse number 79. It's a 15 amp fuse, and this is the fuse responsible for the radio, navigation, DVD player, touch screen, hazard, light switch, door, lock switch. So this is the first one we'll be checking. And okay, let me try to zoom it in a bit. And the one you want to check is this one right here, the 15 amp fuse. So just pull it out and you can see if it's burnt or not, and mine is good in this case, so mine is not a problem. Okay, the next fuse to check would be a fuse number 85, which is a 7.5 amp fuse. Among other things, it's responsible for the radio as well. So I will be checking this one now. And on the fuse box, I will show you now. This is the one right here. So 7.5 amp fuse. So pull out that one and check if it's burnt or not. Okay, the third fuse to check would be fuse number 88. Now my Focus is a base model, so it's not equipped by a large screen, DVD, navigation, stuff like that. So I don't have that one, but anyways, I will show you the location of it in case you have a higher trim. So I have an empty slot here, but you want to check fuse number 88, which will be right here. So second slot from the bottom in this first column. So right here will be your fuse number 88, and it's supposed to be a 25 amp fuse. So make sure to check this one. Okay, and the last fuse worth checking in my opinion is fuse number 67, which is a 7.5 amp fuse, and it's not responsible for the radio directly, but it's responsible for Ford Sync, a multifunction display, GPS and compass. Now in my case the display is not working, so I will check this one just to make sure that the fuse is good and that's not the problem. Okay, the fuse number 67 is located right here up. This is the one you want to check, so just pull it out and see if it's burnt or not. Okay, so these are all the fuses you want to check. Unfortunately, in my case, all the fuses were good, which I actually expected, but this is definitely the first thing and the easiest thing to check, and then dig deeper if this is not the issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.